Welcome back to Home Decor 101. So, September is finally here, and I don't know about you, but it always feels like one of the most refreshing months of the year. We're moving away from the long, hot days of summer, finally, and starting to feel those little hints of fall creeping in. The mornings are cooler, the days get just a little bit shorter, and there's this excitement in the air. Back to school routines, fall festivals on the horizon, football season is kicking off, and of course, the anticipation of cozy evenings at home and pumpkin spice everything. So, when it comes to home decor, September is such a sweet in between season. It's not quite time to go full on with pumpkins and Halloween decorations, but it is the perfect opportunity to start slowly transitioning your home into something warmer, softer, and more inviting. Think of it as a reset button for your space. The bright, airy colors of the summer start to fade out, and we make room for rich neutrals, earthy tones, and layered textures that signal comfort without rushing into full autumn mode. This is also the month when many people refresh their spaces after a really busy summer. Kids and grandkids, nieces, nephews are back in school, routines are more settled, and we naturally start spending just a little bit more time indoors. That makes September the perfect time to look at the rooms in your home with fresh eyes. Maybe your living room could use a cozier throw blanket or a swap of summer throw pillows for something a little deeper in color. Maybe your dining area would feel more inviting with a simple centerpiece made of seasonal greenery or a bowl of crisp apples. Even something as simple as lighting a candle in a warm scent like vanilla or cedar can instantly make your space feel more seasonal and welcoming. September also carries this wonderful dual energy. It's both productive and cozy. It's the month where we're motivated to get organized, but also eager to slow down and enjoy those little comforts. That balance can absolutely be reflected in your decor. Adding in storage baskets that look stylish and keep your space tidy, bringing in soft rugs that make mornings feel a little warmer for your feet, or updating your entry to welcome guests. It's about creating a home that matches the mood of the season. So, as we step into September together, remember, this month is all about small shifts that eventually make a big impact. You don't need to overhaul your entire home, especially not right now. Instead, focus on thoughtful touches, swapping out this for that, some slight layering, and refreshing that helped your space feel like the perfect backdrop for everything the season will bring us. I hope you enjoy this video. I will see you in the next one.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of bird.